So this is our first resupply box. For each resupply box, I've got a list of everything that's in the box. And they're almost full now. And we've got 6 resupplies here. These boxes are pretty big and they're really heavy. Things like this glass jar of mayonnaise, when we get the resupply, we're going to transfer that into our lightweight, like Nalgene style Tupperware containers. Number 4, 5, and 6. This is a smaller resupply day. And then this is our box that we'll be going out with initially. That's the least full, because I don't have to give it to anybody beforehand. But they're almost full here, filled with all the things we made and stuff we've thrown together. And this is our closet of stuff. You can hear the kids fighting over making the grits bags right now in the background. Got all of our partial stuff that we're working on. Our first aid bag. We've got epinephrine in there, and sutures for doing stitches if we need to, and tea tree and lavender and poison ivy soap that I'm going to chunk out into tiny pieces, and all sorts of things. We'll have to go through and see what we absolutely need to take. Yeah, the leftover of 10 pounds of split pea soup. Almost there, we're getting so close, and we are using a lot of these. So many. I'm not usually a sandwich bag person, but this trail is a sandwich bag kind of thing. All right, that's where we're at today.